let's take a look at a differentiation question involving product rule. I'm going to show you how to use a product rule without memorizing the formula. Now let's take a look at this one here. We have x squared multiplied by sine 2x, and we are going to differentiate this. So what you can do is that you look at this term here and you differentiate it, x squared. We differentiate x squared, we get 2x. When you differentiate this one here, you're going to copy down this one here. So I'm going to write another bracket, sine 2x. And because it's a product rule, at the center here, I'll have addition. And this one here, I will start to differentiate another term, which is sine 2x. So this one here involving a chain rule. So what we're going to do, we're going to see this one as function is sine. So I differentiate sine, I will get cos. I'm going to copy back the angle as 2x. And I have to differentiate this function of 2x. I'll get 2 here. So I have differentiated sine 2x. My answer is cos 2x times 2. So next, this bracket here, I'm going to copy back this one here, which is x squared. So again, what I did here is differentiate one at a time, differentiate, copy, differentiate, copy. So next, I'm going to do a simplification. I'm going to write 2x sine 2x. And we're going to write this number first. So plus 2, and I'm going to write x squared first, followed by cos 2x. So this is how we do a product rule without any memorization of formula.